Hi, it's September 19th and I'm Mahnaz, your host at Infinity Galaxy Cast. Falling and growing back was the recap of crude oil during the second week of September. Bitumen also had fluctuations, but demand did not stop. Brent finally closed above 91 and WTI settled above 85 on Friday. WTI stalls in the region of 90 to 81, moving between two yellow convergent lines. In the daily chart of Brent and WTI, you can see that the movement is the same and the market is a little big. The weakness is due to uncertainties in the market. Economic conditions, supply and demand are vague for market participants. The upcoming week might also be the same as last week, with several falls and growths. One of the weakening factors of WTI was the possibility of a nationwide railway strike in the US. Although the government could avert the strike by improving workers' conditions and wages, it showed how fragile the US energy segment is. Gas futures spiked by 10% in only one day by fears of railway delivery disruptions. China and Russia's president met on September 15 in Uzbekistan for the first time after the Ukraine war. Putin and Xi Jinping agreed to replace rubles in their oil trades to decrease US dollar hegemony in national trades. Two countries are keen to make a new world together. Supply is at risk in Kazakhstan and Venezuela. The US threatened Venezuela with more sanctions if it fails in negotiations. Kazakhstan is also unlikely to be capable of increasing its production soon. The US also suggested that the country can refill the SPR only when oil falls below $80. Oil fluctuations pumped uncertainty and mixed signals into bitumen markets. Bahrain prices decreased by $20 and fell into 440, while Singapore prices stayed steady. On the other hand, India increased its prices by $9 on September 15th. It is also likely that Iran decreased its prices by over 10% into the upcoming week. HSFO fluctuations also followed crude oil, going up at first of the week and then retreating. These ups and downs are the results of uncertainties above crude oil. Accordingly, shipping freights decreased by lower export volumes. However, it is the end of the season and there can be new movements and orders. The consequences of the ongoing JCPOA and the death of Queen Elizabeth II are still unknown to the market. You can see the latest price of the new steel drum Bandar Abbas FOB along with bulk prices of Singapore, South Korea 6080 and Bahrain on September 16th. That's all for this episode of Infinity Galaxy Cast. If you enjoyed it, please like us and subscribe to Infinity Galaxy YouTube channel. Links are in the description below. Have a good one and thanks for listening.